Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close your positions, your trades, or how to exit right here on TradingView. First thing that you need to know is that you need to connect your broker before you can close your trades, because TradingView by itself is not doing stuff with trades. It's just a tool to analyze. So the first thing that you need to do is go to trade and make sure that you connect your broker to TradingView. If you don't have any idea how to do that, check one of the videos that I made. I made more than 100 videos how to connect a broker. So after that, you know how it works. But then from now, we comes right here to the point. I created here 7 positions. So right now I want to close a position. So let's say this long on the S&P 500 made us already $22 US. So now I want to close this. So we go right here to the cross and we click on close. Then right now we can also do a partial close if you want to do that. Then click on that and then you can decide how many lots you want to close. I don't want to do that. I want to close it completely. So right now what we're going to do is we click here on close position and now we close the complete position. So this is how you can close your position right here on the chart. And hopefully this was exactly where I was looking for. If you have any questions, please comment them below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.